This is a review of the 10 pack of the Bootstrap Farmer 1010 humidity dome. And there is 10 of them in this pack, and this is so much sturdier than your single-use plastics. And I enjoy not only that, but the fact that, you know, it's got good quality vents that you can utilize. And like I said, it's much sturdier than a lot of the single-use plastics. And so I feel that I'm investing in my growing future by buying heavy-duty seed starting items instead of leaning on single-use plastics.